If you are thinking, I will also start speaking English, and you have some hesitation, you are nervous. How should I start learning English? How should I start speaking English? Then don't worry. Let me tell you, I am here. So this is Saloni from Gaya, Bihar, and I welcome you in this channel. Today is the day 20 of learning English with me. So first of all guys, you will have to believe on yourself. If everybody can do, you can do as well. If some parents can do in these days, if some mothers can do, then you can also do. I know a student's life is some difference according to parents' life. But I am a good example in front of you. I am also mother of two sons, but I haven't given up. I always try to speak English in front of mirror and in front of camera. I don't do anything and I don't take any burden on my head. Only I turn on the recording in my mobile and I start speaking something in English. Because I know fluency it will not come by itself. I will have to speak English every day, and practice is compulsory in this English language. And not only English language, every language is difficult because since when we all have born, that time it was also difficult to learn something new language. But our parents, they guide us how to speak our mother tongue. So after that we all try to speak English. So after that we all speak our mother tongue. And what were you thinking? It is easy? No, it is not easy. But it is not difficult. If you try every day, I know you are thinking how to start my English language. Then I am here to tell you. First of all, you have to start with a small sentences. Just like if you don't have any partner, then you can stand still in front of mirror and you have to think about that person with whom I'm talking right now, who is the best friend in front of me. And you have to talk with him. Hey, just like, hey Saloni, how are you? Then she will reply you, yes, I am fine. What about you? Start speaking within a small sentences. Come here and go there and sit there, and please turn on the fan and please switch on the TV. Like these things you can follow. And if you don't try to speak English, then how will you become a good speaker? Speaking it will not come by itself. You will have to bring it, and you will have to think about it, and you have to go in deeply. That is not easy. If I can struggle to learn English, then why can't you do? You must do. And confidence, it will not come suddenly in your life. If you will always speak something in front of camera, like for 2 or 3 minutes, then you will also think, yes, I am improving in these days and I have started speaking English. And you will have to proud of yourself. The person who was making fun of you, who was kidding about you, then they will also think about you. Oops, the person has started speaking English. So in these days, I am speaking English, but without any tension, without any hesitation. Only I just switch on my camera and whatever is coming in my mind, I try to speak in front of camera without any hesitation. I know I am also making mistakes. After recording this video, I thought there were lots of mistakes while speaking time. But this is a good method. Now I am speaking English in a wrong way, but after watching this video, I will judge there was my mistake and I will try to correct. And before 2 or 3 videos, I also made mistake. I was talking children's, that was wrong. It is not called children's because children is already plural. So I need to use only plural. I hope you liked my videos guys. So take care of yourself and please subscribe this channel so that I can see you all are watching with me. Thanks for watching.